Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to present a comprehensive video tutorial on how to make money online with dropshipping for beginners. As e-commerce continues to grow, dropshipping has become an increasingly popular business model for anyone seeking to start an online store. In this video, we will provide you with all the necessary information to get started with dropshipping. We will cover topics such as how dropshipping works, what you need to get started, and valuable tips for finding success in the industry. Whether you are an experienced entrepreneur or a complete novice, this guide will assist you in exploring the world of e-commerce and embarking on your journey to achieve financial independence. We will dive into the intricacies of dropshipping, taking you through the entire process from start to finish, so that you can get a clear understanding of how it works. We will also discuss various tools and software that you can use to make the process easier and more efficient. Furthermore, we will guide how to find the right products to sell, how to find reliable suppliers, how to build your online store, and how to drive traffic to your website. We will also share tips on how to manage your inventory, handle customer service, and optimize your business for long-term success. By the end of this video, you will have all the information you need to start your own successful dropshipping business. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey towards financial freedom with dropshipping. In today's discussion, we will explore the fascinating world of dropshipping, which is a highly sought-after approach for individuals who aspire to become entrepreneurs and establish their online businesses with ease and convenience, without the added burden of inventory management. Step 1. Commitment and expectations. Importance of commitment. As you embark on your dropshipping journey, it's important to keep in mind that achieving success in this field requires a great deal of dedication and a long-term perspective. While dropshipping can be a lucrative venture, it's also important to have realistic expectations about the investment required and the potential profits you can earn. You should be prepared to invest your time, energy, and resources into building a solid foundation for your dropshipping business. This may involve conducting market research, identifying profitable niches, building relationships with suppliers, and optimizing your website for conversions. Potential profits. Dropshipping is a business model that can offer great potential for profit, provided you approach it with the right mindset and commitment. Although the initial investment required to start a dropshipping business may vary depending on the niche you choose, it typically involves sourcing products from a third-party supplier and selling them to customers without holding inventory. This means that you can start your business with relatively low overhead costs, which makes it an attractive option for many entrepreneurs. However, to succeed in dropshipping, you will need to invest your time and effort into building a strong brand, optimizing your website for conversions, and providing excellent customer service. With the right approach and dedication, dropshipping can be a lucrative and rewarding business opportunity. Step 2. Choosing a niche. Market research. In order to succeed in dropshipping, it is crucial to conduct comprehensive market research. You need to identify a profitable niche that aligns with your interests and has a demand in the market. This means you should carefully analyze the current market trends and identify areas where there is a gap or an unfulfilled need. Once you have identified a niche, it's important to understand your target audience and competitors. You need to know who your potential customers are, what they are looking for, and how you can meet their needs better than your competitors. Additionally, you should be aware of your competitors' strengths and weaknesses, their pricing strategies, and their marketing tactics. By keeping all these factors in mind, you can create a solid foundation for your dropshipping business and increase your chances of success. Product validation. If you are looking to launch a new product, it is essential to validate your ideas before investing time and resources into development. One crucial step in this process is to analyze the profitability of your product idea. This involves assessing the potential revenue and cost structure of your product, including manufacturing, marketing, and distribution expenses. It's important to ensure that your product has a healthy profit margin to make it a worthwhile investment. Another key factor to consider is market trends. You should research the current market landscape to identify any gaps or opportunities for your product. Look for trends that align with your product idea, such as a growing demand for eco-friendly products or an emerging interest in health and wellness. This can help you position your product in a way that resonates with consumers and gives you a competitive edge. 3. Finding suppliers. Selecting reliable suppliers. To provide a top-notch customer experience, it's crucial to partner with reputable suppliers who offer quality products and reliable shipping services. When selecting suppliers, it's important to carefully evaluate their reputation and track record. You want to work with suppliers who have a proven track record of delivering high-quality products on time and providing excellent customer service. Additionally, you'll want to consider factors such as pricing, shipping times, and return policies. By building strong relationships with suppliers who meet these criteria, you can ensure that your customers receive the best possible products and service, leading to repeat business and a positive reputation in your industry. Step 4. Building an e-commerce store. Setting up your website. One of the most important aspects of building a successful business in today's digital age is having a strong online presence. Setting up a user-friendly e-commerce website is a great way to establish this presence and showcase your products to a wider audience. To create an effective e-commerce website, it is essential to design an attractive storefront that resonates with your target audience and reflects your brand identity. This includes choosing the right color scheme, layout, and font style to create a cohesive and visually appealing site. In addition to the visual elements, it is important to ensure that your e-commerce website is easy to navigate and use. This means organizing your products into categories, providing clear product descriptions and pricing, and making it simple for customers to make purchases and complete transactions. Developing a marketing strategy. To create a comprehensive marketing strategy, it is important to consider various channels that can help you reach out to your target audience. Social media promotion, search engine optimization, SEO, and email marketing are some of the most effective ways to boost your online presence and attract potential customers. When it comes to social media promotion, it is crucial to understand the behavior of your target audience and create compelling content that resonates with them. You should also engage with your followers by responding to their queries, comments, and feedback. This will help you build a loyal following and establish your brand as a trustworthy and customer-centric entity. Search engine optimization, SEO, is another important aspect of online marketing. By optimizing your website for search engines, you can ensure that your website ranks higher in search engine results pages, SERPs, for relevant keywords. This can help you attract more organic traffic to your website and increase your visibility among potential customers. Step 5. Business structure and finances. Legal structure. When starting a business, it's crucial to decide on the legal structure that best suits your needs. There are 3 major types of business structures: sole proprietorship, partnership, and corporation. Each structure has its own set of legal formalities, tax implications, and obligations. A sole proprietorship is the simplest form of business structure where the owner is responsible for all aspects of the business. This type of structure does not require any legal formalities, and the owner's assets and liabilities are tied to the business. A partnership is a business structure that involves 2 or more individuals who share the ownership of the business. This type of structure requires a partnership agreement, which outlines the responsibilities and obligations of each partner. In a partnership, the partner's assets and liabilities may be tied to the business. Financial management. To run a successful dropshipping business, it is crucial to manage your finances effectively. One of the key aspects of this is setting competitive prices that not only cover your costs but also provide a healthy profit margin. This involves taking into account factors such as the cost of goods, shipping fees, and any other expenses associated with running your business. In addition, it is important to keep a close eye on your expenses, revenue, and cash flow to ensure the financial health of your business. This means tracking all of your incoming and outgoing funds, as well as monitoring your sales and profits. By doing this, you can quickly identify any areas where you may be overspending or not earning enough revenue, and make necessary adjustments to improve your financial situation. Overall, effective financial management is key to the long-term success of any dropshipping business. Conclusion. You now have a solid foundation to kickstart your dropshipping journey and build a successful online business. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can navigate the complexities of dropshipping with confidence and drive toward financial independence. For more in-depth information and resources to support your entrepreneurial endeavors, check the links provided in the video description below. Explore additional guides, tools, and tips to further enhance your dropshipping business plan and execution. Don't forget to show your support by liking this video, subscribing to our channel for more valuable content, and sharing it with others who might benefit from this insightful guide. Together, let's empower more aspiring entrepreneurs to thrive in the dynamic world of e-commerce. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your exciting dropshipping venture.